Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. If it's Christmas and you still have pumpkins, you do not need to throw them away. You can use them as decorations. So this is a pumpkin that I actually painted to look like an M&M for our Halloween decorations. I got an M&M decorating kit, and I really like the red and the blue. This is like my favorite color, that robin's egg blue, almost a Tiffany blue. That's one of my favorite colors. So I painted him and decorated him with a decorating kit, but I think he looks super festive for Christmas with one simple addition. Like, seriously. Yes, a Santa hat that matches his eyes. I don't think at first glance you even think this looks like a pumpkin. Now, if you didn't have an M&M decorating kit, you could always use paint to get the same look, or you could just paint a pumpkin like a pretty wintry color. You could do blue like this, or you could even paint the pumpkin red or green or white and make it look like a big ornament. I think that would be super cute, like paint a pumpkin and make it look like an ornament. Because the stem, you find another little pumpkin. The stem kind of looks like the top of an ornament. I may actually do a project with this one to try to do that for you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to turn this pumpkin into an ornament and show you how that's done. Thanks for watching Pretty Creative Stuff. Let me know in the comments how you're decorating your house for Christmas this year. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos.